Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to create a CoinTracker account. To create a CoinTracker account, first of all, open up the CoinTracker application on your mobile device and from the main homepage of CoinTracker, tap on Start for free at the bottom. Now, swipe left and then look for the Create Account button at the bottom and tap on it. Click the Continue button since it'll take you to cointracker.io to sign in. On the next page, you can then go ahead and write down your email address you have access to. You can also sign up for CoinTracker using Google account, Coinbase account, or with your Apple ID. I'm going to use the email option. After typing down your valid email, click on Continue. On the next page, you'll need to verify your email. Enter the code that you received via the provided email, open up the inbox, and open the email from CoinTracker. You will see a verification code there. Type down this verification code inside the Enter 6-digit code box. Now click on Continue. On the next page, write down a password for your account. Make sure to create a strong password containing these criteria beneath. Now click on Continue once you are done. The next thing you'll need to do now is to add your first wallet. Tap on the plus button and select your wallet you'd like to add from the most popular list. Follow through the on-screen instructions to add in your wallet. You'll then need to enter the credential for the wallet that you've chosen, and that way you can complete your sign-up process. Your CoinTracker account will now be ready to help you track your cryptocurrency portfolio easily and effectively. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.